guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jenny. I post content related to makeup and today we are going to learn how to create this foxy eyes very easily. But before that, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let's begin with it.
It goes a little something like
Starting with the eyebrows, I'm filling my brows very quickly with the help of eyebrow pencil. You can use eyeshadow powder also in the shade black or brown. I have used eyebrow pencil from Swiss Beauty in the shade dark grey. Then moving in with concealer, I'm defining my eyebrow shape and applying it all over my eyelid. The concealer I have used today is from Miss Claire in the shade fair. Then I'm blending it with the blender, and for easier application of eyeshadow, I'm applying some loose powder. Taking my ELF Total Holiday eyeshadow palette, which is very pigmented. I just love this palette. I have highlighted the colors I'm going to use today. Now starting with the lightest brown shade, I'm applying it on the outer corner of my eyes and then going in with some deeper brown shade and blending it. With the toffee brown shade, I'm defining the liner and again blending it. Remember, you have to stay just till the 1/3 of your eyelid. Then with the help of angular brush, I'm applying the black eyeshadow in triangular shape and blending it in upward direction to have that smudge look. For more pop out of black, I'm using the kajal, defining my wing and smudging it with the brush. Now for liner, just draw a straight line parallel to your tap and connect it with 1/3 of your eyelid. Fill in the gap, creating a triangular shape. For foxy eyes, enhance your corner by drawing a V in downward direction. And voila, your liner is on point. Lastly, I'm taking very less amount of brown eyeshadow and smudging my liner. Then going in with mascara. For mascara, I have a trick which I have already uploaded on my Instagram reel. For you guys, I will link it down in description below. The mascara I have used today is Walk Free from Blue Heaven. Now I'm applying highlighter on my brow bone and some on the inner corner of my eyes. My foxy eyes are ready. If you guys loved this foxy eyes makeup tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in comment section what you guys want me to put next.